Hi, hello, good morning. I am Devagi from EC department. I am very happy and lucky to share the screen with you. Our topic is about electric vehicles in India. As we are the upcoming engineers from EC department, we all unanimously selected the topic to get awareness on that. Hope all are excited to start the discussion and no more waiting. The first question is why India should go for electric vehicles in India. India needs to reduce dependency on fossil fuels based economy. India's crude oil imports for 2014 to 2015 was $112 billion, approximately 7 crore rupees. Actions related to global warming needs a shift to automobile solutions that reduces, do not produces greenhouse gas emissions. India can become a global provider for clean mobility solutions and processes that are affordable and scalable. Current status of electric vehicles in India. The Indian electric vehicle market is at a very nascent stage, comprising of only 1% of the total automobile sales. 95% of the Indian EV market is dominated by 2 to 3 wheels. Okay. Now my friend Rachita will continue the main theme of electric vehicles in India.
Yeah, this is Rachita. In the fifth meeting of NITI Ayog Governing Council, which took place in June 2019, NITI Ayog HOD proposed that only electric vehicles will set in India from the year 2030. The needs are vehicular pollution is one of the major cause of air pollution. By switching to electric vehicles, we can solve this issue. This will also help to fight against climate change. As of 2019, India is importing crude oil for 82% of the oil requirements. By using electric vehicles, we can reduce the dependence on other countries for oil requirements. Next, the discussion is continued by my friend Anusha.
I'm Anusha. I want to explain the steps taken by the Indian government. To encourage consuming to buy electric vehicles, the Indian government removed the registration fee for electric vehicle station from June 2019. It is also assigning green number plates for electric vehicles for using eco-friendly option. Indian government plans to set up a number of charging stations in the near future. And National Institution for Transforming India (AYOG) has also suggested starting electric highway project which contains an overheaded electricity network to continuously supply electricity to the electric truck. And next, my friend Bhargavi explains the objectives.
Hi, I am Bhargavi. I will explain about objectives. To enable faster adoption of electric vehicles in India by ensuring safe, reliable, and affordable charging infrastructure and ecosystem. To promote affordable trough changeable from electric vehicle owners and charging station operators or owners. To generate employment or income opportunities for small entrepreneurs. To encourage preparedness of electrical distribution system to adapt electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Next, my friend explain about infrastructure service models by Madhuri.
Hi, my name is Madhuri. Infrastructure service models. Public infrastructure model provides electric vehicle station at public parking spaces. Only electric vehicles are allowed to park at these spots. They are likely to act as an incentive to consumers in urban cities. It seeks to provide access to charging for those consumers that lack home charging. Private infrastructure model more preferable in the early stages of electric vehicle adoption as it responds to direct consumer demand. It involves installing charging points for electric vehicle adopter at their residence. Next, my friend Usha will explain end-to-end solutions.
Hi, I'm Usha. Now we will see on end-to-end solutions. Involves close partnership between OEMs, infrastructure facility providers, maintenance service providers, and government. Provide consumers with an integrated package of services by minimizing the number of filters that one has to manage. Access to charging facilities, vehicle service, and free parking at public park lot. My friend Anissa in the discussion.
Hi, my name is Siva. Motivating con people to buy an electric vehicle is also a challenge. At present, the cost of electric vehicles is much higher than the engine power in vehicles. Burning the resistance for the charging rating of is also another challenge for the Indian government. We will have a depend on the lead-on importance for the batteries of electric vehicles. Excuses with the speed and drawing theme, the electricity of batteries and driving range, gramming section in using electric vehicles is also a answer challenge. Now my friend Varshita is going to say about this topic.
This is Rashita. Now I am going to explain about the advantages of electric vehicles. There are a number of great benefits by electric vehicles or petrol or diesel, cheaper to run. Owners of an electric vehicle have the much lower running, cheaper to maintain, other savings, better for the environment, health benefits, safety improvements, our energy security. Next, my friend Usha is going to explain about the disadvantages of electric vehicles.
Disadvantages: recharge points, electric fueling stations are still in the development stages. In initial investment is steep. Electricity is not free. Short driving range and speed. Longer recharge time. Battery replacement. Now my friend Devaki will continue the discussion.
Now we are end of the discussion. My final conclusion on electric vehicles in India is it's a good thing to switch to electric vehicles as it an environment friendly option, manufacturing friendly option. Domestically, for instance, comes with the hurdles of height. Installation of batteries is largely an extension of it. The Indian government will have to focus its efforts on facilitating technical solutions. All are enjoyed and got some interesting facts that all of us are thankful to our faculty to raise our voice on the topic. Thanking you.